Be under the mistletoe. I don't wanna miss out on the holiday, but I can't stop staring at your face. I should be playing in the winter snow, but I'ma be under the mistletoe with you.
I just want you for my own, more than you could ever know. Make my wish come true, you know that all I want.
Morning guys, welcome to Vlogmas day 3. It's like 6:30 in the morning and I'm still editing the vlog from yesterday, and I'm here with my baby who isn't really paying much attention to me right now, but yes, he's my baby. Baby say hi. Baby say hi. Cookie, cookie, don't leave me now. You see how he is, Boogie? He don't like to come out. Baby, you know. I just realized my battery blinking for this camera. So far I know I have to go home, and then the only thing that I know it's on the agenda is more schoolwork. I don't know if I have anything else to do for today, but we'll actually have class. But being honest, I'm not sure if I'm going to that class because I have a lot more schoolwork. And the thing is, I know exactly what we're going to do for class, and I can always like read up on those things before or after, because I have an exam for that class next week. But yeah, so we'll see. This is my outfit, just a regular t-shirt with stripes and some jeans. Honestly, not really feeling it today, and when I reach home I'm gonna change into soft pants, so that's it for today. So it's after 1. I just finished had lunch. I'm so tired. I had like a lot of school this morning. I had some errands to run. I have going back now to do some more schoolwork, and yeah, it's a lot.
So sweet, you know what I mean? We have to go ahead with this Trini Christmas Wonderland. Ow. Christmas Eve, presents wrapping, carol song, hands are clapping. If you care for a treat, there's salty or sweet in this Trini Christmas Wonderland. On the beach, children playing, in the church, people praying to give thanks and praise on these special days in this Trini Christmas Wonderland.
It's literally 5:53 p.m. I'm not gonna lie, right now all you have to believe how stressed I'm feeling. Oh my gosh, I'm really starting to feel overwhelmed. Like, I'm not gonna lie, the other day my friend was like, we are both doing 5 courses, and she was like, gosh, we're getting to my feeling overwhelmed. And I was like, no, God forbid this thing not gonna reach me yet. And here I am being hella stressed. And it's not only about schoolwork, not gonna lie, it's not because I have 5 courses and all these assignments, and especially this week is popping. Tomorrow's a debate, Wednesday's presentation, Tuesday's presentation. Just realized there's a new event that has come up, and I need to not only do my schoolwork, I also need to vlog and edit and upload these videos, and also I need to go shopping for those things. It's just a lot, but we're gonna make this work. I'm still sitting here doing work so far. Let me tell you what I'm working on. There is a Word document that I have. This is for Wednesday. Wednesday's class is criminology. I have a there was a movie clip that we had to watch, and then we have to use like a theory to explain the clip from the movie. Then we have to use main points and describe how it applies to crime and criminals. All that fun stuff. This, I have like a million Word documents open. Like, this is my plan. So all the stuff that we have to do, this is debate research, more debate research, and then this is also an individual paper that I have due the 17th. So yeah, that's a lot, but we're gonna make do, and we're gonna do this and finish this. At the same time, he loves me so much that he doesn't want to leave my side, so he's literally sitting on my desk Like, this is another story. Let me tell you this story, right? So today when I was coming home, there literally was no space in the back, especially like there was like a little like quarter of a foot of a space on the back seat. And guess what? Kenji so wanted to come home with me that he fit himself on the seat, like literally fit himself on the seat, and he ended up coming home. And then yesterday, let me tell you what happened yesterday. Yesterday I was studying, and then he decided to come upstairs and check me when I was studying. And this child, so he just like rest himself on me, and he literally nudged the book out of my hand with his face, just so I could focus totally on him. And that's what I ended up doing. I had to literally take a moment from school studying to pet him and love him and focus on him, because he just being so cute. So it's 20 to 7, and I almost finished with the stuff that I have to do for the presentation for Wednesday. And mean that schoolwork ends. There's still so much more assignments, but I sit in here feeling so freaking irritated. Like, gosh, I wouldn't believe how irritated I am. I have so much group work to do in my college. Like literally in every single course there's group work, and that's fine, that's cool. I can work in groups, I can work with you if you work with me. Like, don't be telling me there's a group chat and I am messaging and nobody's checking it, and if somebody checks it, because I know you check it, there's a blue tick, right? There's no response. Like, bruh, please be responsible, people. Oh my gosh, I can't even tell you. But anyway, enough of that. We had enough school today. Today was just relaxing. What I decided is that because I'm just going to be literally focusing on more school for the rest of the night, I'm gonna like literally just gonna finish this, gonna bed, come back, do more schoolwork. I just had dinner, which is like a simple sandwich, and yeah, tomorrow is so freaking packed. I just anyways, I'm gonna end the vlog here, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.